When the 1 cup, 2 cup, and steam buttons start flashing alternately, this indicates that the machine will need to be descaled. To descale the machine, first, empty the drip tray and water tank, then remove the water filter. Fill the water tank to the descale line indicated, and add the descaling powder to the water. Mix the descaling powder with warm water until it is completely dissolved. Then, reinsert the water tank back into the machine. Place a 2-liter container under the group head and steam wand. Turn the machine off by simultaneously pressing 1 cup and steam buttons and allow it to completely cool before descaling. With the machine off, press the 1 cup and steam buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds to enter descale mode. The 1 cup and steam buttons will illuminate, indicating that the machine is ready to start descaling. Press the 1 cup or steam button to begin the descale cycle. These buttons will alternately flash throughout the cycle. Once the descale solution has been used up, the descale mode will pause. Rinse the water tank and refill it with fresh water to the max line. Empty the wastewater container. Replace the water tank back into the machine and the container back underneath the steam wand and group head. The 1 cup and steam buttons will illuminate when the machine is ready. Press the 1 cup or steam button to resume descaling. The 1 cup and steam button will flash alternately during the process. When descaling is complete, these 2 buttons will flash simultaneously before going into standby mode. Remove and empty the wastewater container, empty the drip tray, reinsert the water filter back into the water tank, and refill it to the max line before replacing them back onto the machine to make your next coffee.